Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am doing an unboxing of the new Gina K Designs kit, which is called the Sunny Days Kit. Just came in the mail today, so I thought that I would share it with you. As with any of the Gina K kits, they are only available on her website at the moment, and then the next month they are broken up and then you can purchase each component individually. There are additional new products that were released in conjunction with the kit, and those are available pretty much any craft store at this moment. So let's see what we have. Take my receipt out. And the first thing is the incentive set for this month. I'm trying to focus on there. This is a great kind of nautical set. There's a lighthouse, a compass rose, a seagull, anchor, a lot of nice stamps. They have both type and cursive writing together. And this is called Guiding Light. And you get this for free if you purchase over $75 before taxes and shipping and all that jazz. Get all this out of here. Alright, so I did get the kit, and then I did actually get a couple of add-on items. Check those out. Gina K shipping department has the best packing I've ever seen. The items always come without any problem, even if the packaging is damaged. It is all safe inside the box. Okay. I had wanted for a while to get a couple of these new blending brushes. They are so cute. Little mini ones for detail work. The bristles are so soft, and it's just a teeny tiny, they're flat across, teeny tiny brush. You can really get those details. It feels really good in your hand. I think that'll be a great addition. Alright, and then we have the POLY-GLAZE foiling sheets. This one is called Flutterby Friends, and it's all butterflies ready for you to foil. And then here's another, this one's a really big set of the POLY-GLAZE, and this one's called Delicate Flowers, and I believe that it actually matches with something that is in the kit, so we will double check on that. Okay, so this is the first month with the newly designed kit box, and this is so cute. And it's got, if you end up getting it along the sides, the pattern here has a lot of inside jokes and little crafty icons, and Tom and Gina and all the funny things they always say on their channel. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, hey friend, sending love from our craft room to yours. There's Tom and Gina. Horribly wonderful. That's awesome. With 2 cents. That's so cute. Alright, let's see what's in here. I got the kit this month because it was jam-packed with products. Okay, so this is the Sunny Days card kit. And it looks like there's 2 stamp sets with dies, 2 stencils, and so let's take a peek. Oh, okay, yep, this is what I was saying. These POLY-GLAZE foiling sheets match with this set, Delicate Flowers. So the dies in here will actually cut out these foiling pieces. Alright, take this out so maybe the glare won't be as bad. Oh, everything is so shiny. This is a gorgeous set. I love all the foliage and the flowers. It's a great flower there. And again, this one has the text with kind of a script font. Beautiful friend, so very grateful, birthday greetings, handmade for you by, never doubt your worth, with love and prayers, proud of you, love you, sorry for your loss. So a lot of great sentiments in there. I just love the design of these. And of course it comes with all the dies and the magnetic board. This is very heavy duty. So that goes with that. Alright, the next one is called Just Keep Swimming. And it's very cute. Has lots of little sea creatures in here. Alright. Let's see. So we've got an octopus and a crab. We've got a lot of sand and sea kind of things. This stamp would be gorgeous to kind of do like a stained glass window effect. You could maybe do it on vellum, or you could emboss it and then do like alcohol ink on the back. So jellyfish, turtle, a lot of really cute and sweet sea themed items here. I hope to see you soon. I see it's your birthday. Seize the day! That's really funny. And again, you get the dies with the board. Keep yourself organized. Alright. And then the first stencil is called Twisted Stems. I'll show you if it'll focus. And that would be this one. And it is a 4-piece layering stencil. So it looks like you have the stems and then the leaf to tail and then different layers for the flowers. And that would be really nice. Do a spring card, thank you, thinking of you. And then the second stencil we have is the Delicate Flowers. So this actually goes with the stamp set and the POLY-GLAZE sheets. So this is a 2-layer stencil, and so you can, like for this, for example, you could color in this foiled piece and then cut it out with the dies. You can use this with the stamp. And then this one goes here and it will color in the leaves. And then this one goes with this beautiful sprig here with the flowers. And then you have this, which would go with the leaves. So I think that's a great idea. I love when companies do that because you don't always want to have to color them in or you know, do alcohol markers or, you know, any of that kind of stuff. If you can just, you know, quickly use your blending brushes and fill it in, and then you're good to go, and you've got a quick card. So I think that is everything. Alright, again, so this has been the unboxing and review for the Sunny Days card kit by Gina K Designs, and it is a great kit for this month. And if you like the whole thing, you can grab it right now, or if you only want a few pieces of it, you can wait till next month and then pick up the pieces you want then. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great day, and take care until next time. Bye-bye.